Uncle K, Landon, look at my slime. Your slime is so cool. Check out mine, Liam.
Awesome. Wow, your slime is so cool. Mine is cool too.
Wow. Whoa! What is up, my Toys and Colors fans? I'm having a little goo-tastrophe over here myself. I just bought a Goo Vacuum 4000 to help clean up my goo shack. But rather than cleaning it up, it keeps blowing everything everywhere. Maybe we should watch some Toys and Colors videos and see if they have a solution.
Wow! Check out the slime challenge, guys. Wow! This slime challenge is so cool. Uncle K, can you tell us the rules?
Okay, that's very simple. There are clues of different color in this photo. You have to make slime. If you choose pink, you get 1 extra point.
Wow! That sounds so interesting. Let's choose. I will choose Scarecrow. I will choose Lightning McQueen. Cool. It's my turn now. I'll choose Donatello. And I choose Minnie Mouse.
Cool, guys. Put the glue into the bowl.
Okay. Oh no, I got green. I got blue. Yeah, I got pink. Oh, I got yellow.
Wow, Liam got pink, so he gets 1 extra point.
Good job, Leon. What's next, Uncle K?
Now, I will put the accessory into the box. You have to close your eyes and choose it. If you choose pink, you got 1 more point.
What's in the box challenge? Yeah, I love it. Let's do it, Uncle.
Okay, guys.
Wow.
Round 1 is glitters.
Awesome. I'll go first. Yeah, I got pink. Good job, Alex. Now it's my turn. I got pink, guys. My turn. I pick orange.
Don't be sad, Liam. Next is your turn, Wendy.
Okay, okay. I got purple.
The second round is the pom-pom.
Okay, I'll go first. Ooh, I got 2 pink. Wow. Oh, I didn't get no pink. Huh? You didn't get pink. Now it's my turn. Huh? I didn't get pink.
Good job, guys. So this round, Wendy got 2 pink, so she got 2 points.
Yay! Can we make this slime now, Uncle? Yeah!
Sure, just put everything into your bowl. Now it's time for activator, guys.
Yay! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!
Now you have to knead, guys.
Okay, Uncle!
Now let's check out your slime, guys.
Okay!
Whoa! All of the slime are so cool, guys. I cannot decide. Wendy, you got 2 points, so you win. Bye-bye.
Whoa, that was awesome! But I think I'm gonna need another video to figure out how to clean up all this goo.
Uncle John! Uncle John!
What happened, guys?
We finished our homework!
Really? Okay, let me check. Oh, good job, Jannie. You too, Emma. Did you guys finish your chore?
Yeah!
Okay, let's play, guys.
Hey! How do we make slime, Uncle John?
We're gonna make the mystery slime, guys.
Wow!
So, 1 for you,
Thank you.
1 for you, and 1 for me. Next, 1,
Thank you,
1,
thank you.
and 1. The last one, Jannie,
Thank you.
Emma,
Thank you.
and this one for me.
balloon to see what inside.
Okay.
I will help you. Wow! This is a green blue. I will help you next, Jannie.
Okay.
Wow, that's a purple glue. That's so cool. Now, let's see what I have, guys. Ooh, I had a pink glue.
Uncle, what is in this balloon?
That's a surprise. I will cut it up and see. Wow. It's a bean, guys.
Wow, that's my balloon.
Okay. Let me see. Huh? It's so hard. Wow! Ooh, that's so colorful. Nice. We will use a spoon and mix it up.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Wow, looks so cool, guys.
Wow, my slime is so pink and colorful.
Mine is purple and it's blue and pink.
Guys, next we have to pick it up by hand and knit it. Look. Wow, that's so cool, guys. Look at my slime.
It's so cool. It's so cool.
It's getting harder, guys.
I love making slime. Me too. This is so fun.
That was goo-tastic! But I still don't know how to clean up. Don't worry, I can feel this next video will have the answers we need.
Hello? Okay, I'll ask him. Andrew, Uncle Tim asked if you have done your homework.
Oh no, I forgot to do my homework. Huh? You had to finish your homework, Andrew. Oh yeah, I came to ask you for your help, Emma. Okay, let's go. Uncle Kay, can you watch over my slime?
Sure, Emma.
Bye.
Bye. Let's have Emma clean up her slime. Ooh. Oh no! I make Emma's slime super dirty, guys. What should I do? Let me try to wash it. Huh? This doesn't work, guys. What should I do? Emma might be upset. I should make another one. Hello, Uncle Sam? Huh? Jenny did what? A trick shot? Oh, that's so cool. Okay, bye. See you. Huh? Too much glue, guys. I think I used all of the glue, guys. But I think that's okay. Just more slime. Let me get a cap. Huh? Oh no, I put so much shaving cream too. What should I do, guys?
Now we're done, Andrew. Let's play with slime.
Huh? Emma coming. I should hide this.
Uncle Kay, where's my green slime? Huh? What's going on, Uncle Kay? Yeah.
Sorry, Emma. I ruined your slime.
Whoa, that's a tall tower of shaving cream. Let me see.
Okay.
Huh?
Sorry, Emma.
It's so cool.
Wait, Emma. You're not mad?
No. That's even cooler. Let's make the slime together. Okay.
But wait, guys.
Huh?
Before that, what color the slime you want to be? There's purple, blue, and green.
Green. Yeah, it's my favorite color too.
Okay, you got green.
Time to mix it.
Here it is.
Thank you. Can I try? Yeah, Andrew, try it. Here you go. Thank you.
Stop!
Wow.
One last thing, you need activator.
Okay, thank you.
No problem, Emma.
Andrew, I'll pour it in while you're mixing. Okay. That should be enough. Okay, I think it's ready. Let's knead it. Whoa. Cool, guys. Look how sticky and slimy it is. Wow, this slime's perfect.
Are you there? I can't see a thing with all this slime. What was their solution again? Oh, that's right. They made more slime to clean up their old slime. Let's give it a try. It worked! Oh, am I glad to see you, my dudes? What a mess I caused. Now that I've cleaned it all up, it's time to play. Catch you later, my goos.
You can watch Toys and Colors Kaleidoscope City Goo Games only on the Roku Channel.